Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn how to create tables in AutoCAD or how we can link an Excel file in AutoCAD. When we are dealing with any civil drawing, we need to give information of windows and doors. Similarly, in mechanical or electrical drawing, we have to give information of a part list. For that, we can simply go and insert table, give columns, rows, then we can give a specific pattern like we need title, headers and our table. Then we can place it anywhere we want. By double clicking any box, the text appears. Here is the title. I am giving the title as part list. The next one is the row for header, where we can write whatever we want to fill up in the list. Like in the first column, we want description of our parts. In the second column, we want the material of the part. And in the third column, we want to show the quantity that is involved to create any specific part. Assume that we have a specific part built in AutoCAD and we have to provide the part list all along. That includes a hub adapter, a pivot bolt nut, a mechanical fuse, base bolts, and a base. We have to provide the material as well. Like either we are going with stainless steel or brass or steel or so on. In a part list, we have to provide the quantity as well. Like if there are bolts or nuts, what is the quantity that would be required to complete this part? You can see the first two columns are center aligned, but the last one with the numbers is right aligned. So we can simply go here and choose any of above alignment. We have top left, top right, top center. Similarly, we have middle left, middle right, middle center, and then bottom right, bottom left, and bottom center. Depends upon your requirement. So here we have created a table, or better to say a part list in AutoCAD. Another way to do it is to link data. Here we can link data. First, we have to give a name, like I'm writing as lecture 20. I have to browse to the file, preferably an Excel file. Next, we can either turn on or turn off the preview. Here you can see I have turned off the preview and now I have to go to table again, but this time instead of starting from an empty table, I will select a file from data link that I have just linked in the last step, and then I will place it anywhere. Now you can see a complete part list is here. You may notice that if I double click here, I cannot change any text. For that, I have to unlock it first. It depends upon the settings of your Excel file or the main source file. So if it is locked, you can simply unlock it from there. In this way, your previously made tables or part lists can be used. Another way is to export PDF. You can export the PDFs as well. Although we have gone through the same example in the last session, but this is just to revise that how we can link the files in an AutoCAD that are not in the form of .dwg format. Here you can see the file has been exported. I'm not going into details because we have already done this exercise before, but this is how you can link the other source files. You can change the attributes, the line settings, so and so on. So this was all about the session of tables and how we can link the data of other formats into AutoCAD or .dwg format. See you in next session. Till then, take care.